Yo, what's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. So I've updated to iOS 16 and I've been using this for a couple weeks now on my iPhone 11, which is already a 2-year-old phone. And here are my thoughts. So first, let's discuss the biggest update on this iOS version, which is its lock screen. So now, after all of these years, you can customize your lock screen. So you can change its background, its fonts, its color theme, and you can also add a widget as well, which unlocks a lot of possibilities. Apple created good customized lock screen as well, with this astronomy which do have like Earth, Moon, and Solar System. And they have other options too. It does have an option too for a cool layer of depth, like a bokeh, that will set your picture subject on the front of time, although it won't work if you'll use widgets on it. The notifications now are at the bottom, which is good for reachability, and I like also how the album artwork now covers your screen when you play music or play videos. There's also a new feature called Live Activities that will help you follow an ongoing activity right from your lock screen. So with this, you can track the progress of your food delivery or the games of your favorite teams as well. You can easily set up focus on each wallpaper that you created and swap them if you needed to. And this is really good addition since Android for years have the option to customize your lock screen. And now, it does have also in iPhone. The second biggest updates for me would be on iMessages. So now you can now edit and then send text in iMessage, like what you have on other messenger apps. So you can do unsent message within 2 minutes time frame, while 15 minutes for the time frame to edit a sent message. And you can make up to 5 edits per message only. Another useful feature is the ability to mark messages as unread. You can just stop and hold a message thread to select this option. This is perfect for moments when you can't immediately respond to someone, but you want to make sure that you reply when you're free. You can watch your favorite shows or play music with a friend also while chatting via the SharePlay. And now you can also easily lift the subject from any image, or I select any subject from the background, and then you can send it anywhere, like here in iMessage. And this one is very cool new feature. So live text was very underrated feature in iOS 15. And now in iOS 16, live text is now added in videos. So you can just pause the video, then you can do live text on any words that appears in that paused video, which can be very helpful, especially in classes or work videos. Live text improve also with its quick action, which you can now do instantly calling, conversion, and translation, and many more. So for its performance, here's some of the benchmark samples. In my experience, everything is good so far, and haven't experienced any weird bugs that affects my daily usage. So this iOS 16 is very responsive, and I feel much smoother transition and animations than any previous iOS version. Navigation and doing daily tasks are great as well on this phone. And that's what I like with iPhones and iOS, because they're pretty consistent. Here are some of its gaming performance. Battery performance is just fine here in iOS 16. It normally lasts 1 to 2 days of usage for my iPhone 11. And if I use it a lot, it will last a day with a 5 to 6 hour screen on time. If I don't use it a lot, normally it can last 2 days with 4 to 5 hours of screen on time. And this is with my iPhone 11, which is already a 2 years old phone and with a 94% battery health. For other improvements and features, the search now is on the home screen, which is on the bottom part of it. And with this, you can instantly click it to search. They have added haptic feedbacks for the keyboard as well in iOS 16, although this might drain the battery much faster than usual. Improvements in email, in search, and new features like schedule send, undo send, and many other more. There's also improvements in security, passkey, and Safari, wallets, and fitness and other apps. Overall, iOS 16 is a bold move by Apple, especially in customization. With its big update with the lock screen, you have now more option to make your iPhone the way you like it. They're leveling the playing field with Android, with the former always known best for customization. As always, Apple with their iOS updates are pretty consistent, and that's what I really like about it. Would I recommend updating to iOS 16? Yes, definitely. With its new customization in lock screen and its additional features, and with its consistent, stable performance, it's one of the best iOS updates so far in recent years. So that is my review for this iOS 16. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.